ECDL Advanced Access Lesson 75 Find Unmatched query. The Find Unmatched query finds records in one table that do not have a matching record in another table. For example, customers who do not have records on an orders table, or students with no records on a courses table. Okay, let's open the CIA database, and we're going to create a query to find all the companies who have not made any orders. So from the Create tab, select Query Wizard, and from the dialog box, select Find Unmatched Query Wizard, and then click OK. Select the Customer Details table as the table that contains the information, and then click Next. Select Orders as the table that has the related information to be searched, and then click Next. Highlight the customer ref in both tables, and then select the less than equals greater than button. This is the field that is to be matched in both tables. Click Next. Click the double arrow to view all the fields in the query results, and then click Next. Name the query No Orders. Click Finish, and now we can view the results. This is a list of all the customers who have not placed any orders. As an aside, to modify a Find Unmatched query, make the changes in Design View. However, if major changes are required, it may be better to create a new query. Okay, let's close the query and then close the database. Okay, we've now reached the end of Lesson 75, in which we've discussed Find Unmatched queries, which means we've now finished Section 10, which was on the topic of Query Wizards. Your job now is Lesson 76, which is a revision exercise, and it will test your understanding on cross-tab queries, Find Duplicates queries, and Find Unmatched queries. Okay, wishing you great success with that, and I look forward to seeing you next time when we will start the last section of this module, which will be on the topic of macros. Okay, I look forward to seeing you then.